video, we're going to install the single stand in the middle of that mounts in the middle of our product. It's a wider stand than the previous stand. Inside the packaging, you'll find our stand. This is the stand assembly. These two guide pins is what lines up inside the back of the TV to mount the stand. There are also two dial pins to line up. They are going to set in these two positions. When I slide this into position, it's going to lock in here and the other one here. In the packaging will be 4 screws. These 4 screws will go in 4 holes that hold the stand in position. Again, these screws should be hand tight. And in the packaging, there will be a decorative cover to cover the screw holes and the stand. The TV is ready to stand up.